Bitcoin didn't break yet our resistance line, bratans. We will speak about that. We will speak about a decentralized exchange and why they're important for the future, for the bull market. Also about an altcoin, and we will speak also about the top US banks by uninsured deposit and what this means for the crypto market, bratans. Let us start right now first with Bitcoin. We see right now we didn't broke yet this resistance line at 30,500 approximately, but we closed amazing daily candle above, right? So we saw this perfect retest. We retested it successfully. However, it's not the safe zone yet. In my opinion, I'll show you also in a second my trade. Yes, like one of our bratans yesterday commented, this could be a big trap, and yes, potentially this could be a big trap, and we could see here Bitcoin dumping, especially if we are watching right now the moon phases of Bitcoin. You know, it's not an astrology channel, but it perfectly worked out with the probability of 70 till 80% statistically. We saw here pump, and it perfectly worked out. I did a video about it, and tomorrow we will see new moon. Usually after several days after the new moon we see dump. The question is how low we will dump, right? So therefore, if you are in a long position right now already, just make sure your stop loss is below the weekly support, below 25,300 or even 24,700, in my opinion, because the price target which we are watching for is still from this symmetrical broadening wedge. The technical price target you measure from the top to the downside. The technical price target is here still, wait a minute, the technical price target is here still around 35,000, right? It perfectly matched with our 2-3 years resistance line, which is around 35k, right? So it's still the price target, it's still on, it's still not over in my opinion. However, we could possibly see here a cool down even to the weekly supports here to 24,600 before we'll see again a pump, right? So this on Bitcoin, right? Ethereum quickly. Ethereum still also the price target. Ethereum formed here, like I told you yesterday, it's still on this bull flag. The first price target of this bull flag would be here around 33,500 not black 2,350 approximately, and the next price target is here our big resistance lines at 2,500. So still way to go. Also here, if you're entering along, just make sure your stop loss is even better below here the daily spot 1,600, or you could set a tight stop loss below the daily spot 1,900. It's up to you. You have to decide how much risk you want to take. And right now, let us quickly watch. You see here the whole market is red, but there's one market which is right now green, and we will speak about the banks, so hold on for a second and I show you also my trades. You see here one coin is green, and this is DYDX. You see why? DYDX is a decentralized exchange, and DYDX is the native coin of this decentralized exchange, right? And we saw already a nice pump it made throughout the last month. So we saw already here pump for over 200%, but there's still a big way to go. Why there's a big way to go, bratans? Because even CZ, you know, of the biggest exchange right now, I think Binance is the biggest exchange, Blackout, you know what I mean, Coinbase. Even CZ said the potential in the future is more at the decentralized exchange, right? Because nobody owns it, and it's decentralized money. This is big. Crypto is all about decentralized, right? And the potential and this native coins of the decentralized exchange are extreme. Obviously, we don't know which will be the leading decentralized exchange, but this is coins which I'm watching for the future, for the bull market 2024, 2025. And I explain you exactly why. This the US banks, I will speak about this. DYDX is right now, don't watch at the price doesn't matter, watch at the market cap, right? And das Zuckerblatt, 1 second. The market cap is here very interesting, because the market cap is right now at 500 million, right? And 500 million of a native exchange coin, DYDX is 500 million, but for example, a Binance native coin is BNB, and look at the market cap, it's 53 billion. So technically speaking, DYDX could make even 100x. I don't expect that it will make 100x in the bull market, but it's quite possible if you compare it. This is a centralized exchange, Binance. It has 50 billion. And if DYDX will be the leading decentralized exchange, obviously it can reach a market cap of 50 billion easily. However, I wouldn't bet on 100x right now, but I expecting DYDX at least to make 10x in 2024, 2025 bull market. So just add this coin on your watch list. I will add this coin in my spot portfolio. I will hold this coin for 2024, 2025 because I see big potential in it. However, do your own research. It's not a financial advice, but that's very important. And I show you also right now my trades, and we speak about the banks. We see right now my Bitcoin trade is 174% profit, $860 in profit. Aave is right now 2.4% profit, $129 in profit. And I still holding this long position because in my opinion the relief rally is not over, even if we see a cool down in the market with the new moon, right? And very important, this right now, wait a minute, I switch it back. This is right now a relief rally, not a bull market, right? In my opinion, I could be wrong, I could be horribly wrong, but I'm watching also what are the big masters in this economy are saying. And Michael Burry, like, if you watch my channel, you know QG, Q4, he predicting a big dump, right? Because we are going in the hyperinflation. The Fed has to tighten even more the interest rates, so they will increase even more the interest rates, maybe even double digit. And then we will see a big dump in the market. And what speaks also for this massive dump in the market is if we are watching in the future, I mean, in Q3, Q4, you see here the top US banks by uninsured deposit. You see here SVB Bank, Silicon Valley Bank, which got bankrupt, and they have 93.8% uninsured deposits, and they failed. After they failed, what happened? The Fed started printing money to rescue the bank, so that the people not start to run on all the other banks to get out their money, and we will see domino effect and all other banks will go bankrupt. But if people realize that the most of their deposits are uninsured, like you see here, Citibank again, BNY Mellon, and so on. If they realize that all or nearly all their deposits are uninsured, what it means? It's obviously mean that the bank which you have, the money which you have on the bank, if the bank got bankrupt, you lose all your money. And if people start realizing it, we could see massive fall of all the banks. What will happen if another bank and another bank and another bank go bankrupt? Fed has to start print money. So we will see Bitcoin running like we see right now, the relief rally. This is also one of the reasons why we see right now the relief rally. But right after, when they start printing with a delay, we see inflation spiking up, and with the delay we see inflation spiking up. This is also what will happen Q3, Q4, that the inflation will spike up, because right now in this moment, Fed is printing money, right, behind the scenes. And then while the inflation spikes up, after a delay, they are realizing, or they know already, they're not dumb, that the inflation is spiking up, so they will start tightening even more the interest rates, and this will cause a massive dump in the whole market. So I'm expecting still that we will see massive dump in the market, so be prepared for it. In my opinion, there's a massive chance again to buy back Bitcoin, Ethereum, FXS, Aave, and so on, even cheaper. However, we are making money right now on the relief rally to the upside, but we are making money also on the dump. It doesn't matter, bratans, and I appreciate if we see even more dump, because then we can buy even cheaper all these altcoins and Bitcoin and so on. But that's very important. You see, it's all about education. Therefore, educate yourself. Google, YouTube, wherever you want, or in our Telegram group, absolutely for free. You can join our Telegram group. You get two signals a day for altcoins. You get educational stuff, and in our Discord channel you get absolutely free crypto course. How you can join this Telegram group? It's very easy, bratans. Link in the description, or in the comments. Make a registration on Bybit and deposit $500 on your Bybit account, and you get through my link you get even up to $30,030 in bonus and access to our Telegram channel and Discord channel, bratans. Very easy. Always do your own research. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.